Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use drawing markers effectively. First, select your marker type. Alcohol-based markers offer vibrant, blendable colors, while water-based options are great for layering and less bleed. Next, choose the correct paper, such as a smooth, heavy cardstock of at least 100 pounds, to prevent ink from bleeding through. Finally, grasp basic color theory, understanding how primary, secondary, and tertiary colors interact to enhance your art. To begin, master consistent strokes, applying even pressure for a smooth, uniform finish across your artwork. Always start with your lightest colors, building up to darker tones in 2 or 3 layers to create depth and dimension. For seamless blending, work swiftly, overlapping colors while the ink is still wet. This prevents harsh lines and ensures a beautiful, soft transition between shades. Elevate your art by creating smooth gradients. Overlap colors and adjust pressure to achieve seamless transitions from light to dark. Utilize a colorless blender marker to push pigment, lighten areas, or soften edges, adding subtle effects to your work. Explore various nib types, such as a broad chisel tip for wide strokes or a flexible brush tip for fine details, to expand your artistic range. Proper care ensures your markers last for many years. Always recap your markers tightly immediately after each use to prevent the ink from drying out, which can happen in just a few minutes. Store them horizontally to keep the ink evenly distributed to both the fine and broad nibs. If a nib becomes discolored or clogged, gently wipe it clean with a dry paper towel for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.